Welcome to my channel. Your step-by-step guide to set up a Wi-Fi extender on any device. Method 1. WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup. 1. Plug in near router. Plug the extender into an outlet close to your main router and wait for power lights to stabilize. 2. Press WPS. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router, then immediately press the WPS button on the extender. 3. Connect. Wait for the link light on the extender to turn solid, indicating connection. 4. Relocate. Unplug and move the extender halfway between the router and the weak signal area, then plug it back in. 5. Connect devices. Connect your devices to the new extended network, often same name plus _ext. Method 2. App, web setup, for all devices. 1. Power up. Plug in the extender and wait for its power light. 2. Connect to extender. On your phone, laptop, find and connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, e.g., NETGEAR_ext. 3. Access setup. Open a browser, or app, and go to the extender's setup address, like mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.1, or use the brand's app, TP-Link Tether, Nighthawk. 4. Create admin. Follow prompts to set a unique admin password for the extender itself. 5. Select network. Scan for your home Wi-Fi, select your 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz network, and enter your main Wi-Fi password. 6. Apply and move. Let settings apply, then move the extender halfway to your dead zone and plug it in. 7. Connect devices. Connect your devices to the new extended network, using the same password as your main Wi-Fi. Pro tips. Placement is key. Don't put it in the dead zone, put it in a spot with a strong signal from the router but closer to where you need coverage. Check lights. Solid lights, green, blue, usually mean success. Blinking means it's working or searching. Dual band. If you have a dual band router, 2.4 and 5 GHz, repeat the WPS process or select both bands in the app setup. Thanks for watching. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.